What's up, everybody? I'm here at Shell gas station, and I figured I'd give you a tutorial on how to fill up your high performance vehicle. So first off, what you want to do, you don't want to have your car on. I repeat, you do not want to have your car on. If you have your car on, you're an idiot. So what you have to do is first turn your car off. Whether you have a key or a button start, you turn it off, okay? As easy as that. Make sure your car is not on, make sure it is off. So right now I'm turning off. I'm turning my car off. Just like that. So now what we want to do is secure your method of payment, because these pumps will not work unless you have a method of payment, okay? So what I'm gonna do is exit the vehicle and go to the pump. So what we have right here is the pump, okay? The pump, and we have three different options. We have 87, 89, and 93, okay? If you're in a high performance vehicle, you want to always get 93, because anything below a 93 is not an A, and you want A, okay? So you have your choices of payment. Whether you have cash, credit, debit, you want to make sure you have a payment or else your pump will not work. Alright, so specifically at Shell, they're going to ask you if you want a car wash. You're going to want to say no, because if you don't wash your car by hand, then it's probably going to fuck up your paint. So now we have remove nozzle and select grade. Like I said, 93 all the time. Anything else, you're a failure. So we're going to go ahead and open the fuel tank, and then we're going to pick up the nozzle. Make sure you don't squeeze it, or else you're going to have fuel going all over your Lamborghini. So now when it's in, just like this, you're going to squeeze and hold. You have this little metal piece that you can put to hold it, but you don't want to always do that. Oh, I forgot. 93. So now that we have our fuel selected, you're gonna squeeze the trigger and then fuel, just like that. When you're a pro like myself, you can have this little metal piece right here and put it forward. And then just let go, just like that. The fuel will constantly fill, but be sure to still look and still admire the cost of gas.
Because it stays colder longer.
So what just happened was the trigger came out. What you're gonna do is give it a little bit more, because you always want to top off your fuel. Give it a little jiggle, pull it out, and get no drips. If you get drips, you're a failure. Now close your fuel door. Look at the price. If you have any complaints on how much you're spending on gas, then you probably shouldn't have a high-end car. Because the worst thing you can do is complain about getting gas when you have a high-performance car. If you complain about gas, then you probably shouldn't have a high-performance car. But that about does it for the video. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.